We're making some salmon. We're making some coho salmon. Asparagus. And we've got some brown rice. Alright, let's get to cooking. Okay. First, we gotta start with our rice. Let it cook. I'm gonna do some brown rice and quinoa. I don't do the red quinoa. We'll get our measuring cup. So I'm doing a full cup of rice, and I'm going to do a quarter cup of the quinoa. A little bit of this. That's what it looks like here. Okay, so we're going to do a cup and a half for the rice. And then the same thing, or I'm just going to do a quarter cup for the quinoa, quarter and a half. I do 1 to 1.5 ratios. And to this, I'm going to add some garlic powder, some quinoa, and some onion powder. You can also add a little bit of butter or a little bit of olive oil to it. I am going to add a little bit of butter. Actually, I have this really nice butter that is already seasoned with herbs and garlic, and that's gonna make it taste good. So let me go grab that. Okay, so I found this cute little butter at a grocery outlet. You guys, I go to grocery outlet all the time because they have like new stuff at like half the price as you would find it at a regular grocery store, and they're always bringing you new stuff, so I like to always go and look through all the aisles to find new things. And this is what the butter looks like. So it's got roasted garlic and herbs. Yum. So I'm gonna add about half a tablespoon or like a teaspoon butter in there. Yum skirts. I'm gonna leave that out because I might need it for my salmon. I think I am gonna add a little bit of this to my salmon. I'm going to put some quinoa. I don't measure it, you guys. I just use the lid and just a little bit. Got some onion powder and some garlic powder. We're gonna let this simmer a little bit. We're gonna let this boil, come to a boil, and then we're gonna decrease the fire and let it cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. It is brown rice. Thanks. So it takes longer to cook than regular white rice. We can move on to cutting our vegetables. Our fish is super fast and easy, and I'm gonna throw it in my air fryer, and it's gonna cook for like 12 minutes. It is super fast. But now we're gonna wash our vegetables and cut them up. I'm just gonna make them all. I'm only gonna cut the ends because we want them long. We're gonna use just some salt and black pepper. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna slice it up a little bit. I'm going to use these two. She's a beauty. Oh my goodness, there, bud. we're gonna add a little bit of this on top of the salmon here, just on the top there. You don't have to. I'm just doing it because I know it's got more flavor in it. So we're just putting the salmon into the air fryer. So this is preheated air fryer. Did all fit. It all fit in here, okay? We're gonna air fry it. For this one, it's got an option up here. I just make it go to the little fish and it automatically just does it by itself. I don't know. And there you have it, you guys. Some asparagus. This is so good. And the salmon. I mean, look at that salmon. Like, are you kidding me? So from there, I weigh my rice. And I don't weigh my asparagus. I just put as much as I want. And I do weigh my salmon. And I just put them in containers. And there's my meal prep for so my camera died again. This is the next day. So I just wanted to show you guys the end results of my meal prep. Here is what my plate looks like. It depends if I know I'm gonna be home, I just put it all in separate containers, or if I'm gonna be on the go, or if I'm gonna work, I will meal prep individually. I think I'm gonna end up this video here. I know it's a short one, I know it wasn't much, but I'll definitely try to make more and get more comfortable and just make them better, okay? If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll try to work on making more videos more often for you guys. Bye!